Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and today's video I'm going to show you how to watch ESPN Plus on Disney Plus. So let's get started. So here we are in Hulu.com, and this is where we can see the bundle or the Disney bundle right here. And as you can see, you would get the Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN. So it doesn't matter if you would buy this at the Disney Plus website itself, as you can see right here, the Disney bundle. And you'll still be able to get the same thing right here. When you buy it into Hulu, you'd still get ESPN Plus, Disney, and Hulu right here, and this would be the price right here. So the only thing that you should watch out here is if you are outside from the United States and you're not seeing this bundle and you're not availing that, then what you would need to do is that you would need a VPN for that. So I suggest that you go and search yourself a VPN here in the market, and what I suggest would be either NordVPN or ExpressVPN right here that you should use, because that would be effective in the streaming platforms, so that you'd be able to change your location and would have ESPN Plus available in your Disney Plus with your Disney bundle. So yeah, this is basically on how you can do it right here on. And when you buy this bundle right here, you'd be able to watch ESPN Plus on Disney Plus. So yeah, after that you would be able to do it, and that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.